Hi guys. I am Jenny. In this video, I am going to teach you about triangle chart patterns. Like what are triangle chart patterns? And how to trade them. So without wasting time, let's start. A triangle is a chart pattern represented by drawing trend lines along a converging price range. In technical analysis, a triangle is a continuation pattern on a chart that forms a triangle-like shape. There are three potential triangle variations: ascending triangle, descending triangle, and symmetrical triangle. So let's start with ascending triangle. Ascending triangles are generally bullish. They typically signal a continuation of an uptrend or, more rarely, a reversal of a downtrend. It is created by price moves that allow for a horizontal line to be drawn along the swing highs and a rising trend line to be drawn along the swing lows. The two lines form a triangle. You can trade an ascending triangle by opening long position when price comes at support and set your stop loss below the lowest wick from support. Or you can take a trade when price breaks the triangle pattern and starts rising. After breakout, the height of triangle is your take profit and set your stop loss is below from candle that breaks triangle. After achieving your take profit if price goes more up. Then don't be greedy, first observe the market carefully. Now, let's move to descending triangle. Descending triangles are a bearish pattern that anticipates a downward trend breakout. You can trade it by opening short position. A descending triangle is a chart pattern used in technical analysis, created by drawing one trend line connecting a series of lower highs and a second horizontal trend line connecting a series of lows. You can trade descending triangle by opening short position when price comes at support and set your stop loss up from the highest wick from support. And you can take trade when price breaks the triangle and starts falling. After breakout, the height of triangle is your take profit. And set your stop loss below from candle that breaks the triangle. And remember, after your take profit hits it, price fell more than, don't be greedy. And last, let's talk about symmetrical triangle. A symmetrical triangle is a chart pattern drawn by two trend lines connecting a series of sequential peaks and troughs. These trend lines should be converging at a roughly equal slope. In symmetrical triangle, the price is forced to break out or break down. A breakdown from the lower trendline marks the start of a new bearish trend. In symmetrical triangle, you can take a trade after price breakout. If price breaks lower trend line, then open a short position and set your stop loss up from candle that breaks the pattern. And the height of triangle is your take profit, while a breakout from the upper trend line indicates the start of a new bullish trend. If price break the upper trend line, then open a long position. And again, height of triangle is your take profit. And set your stop loss below the candle that breaks the pattern. In both trades, the height of triangle is your take profit. An expanding triangle is difficult to identify. Expanding triangle is the reverse of symmetrical triangle. In symmetrical triangle, the price starts squeezing between the trend lines. But in expanding triangle, price starts expanding. You can draw an expanding triangle by drawing a trend line connecting the higher highs and the other trend line connecting the lower lows. In ascending triangle, price can be break upwards and downwards. If price breaks the upper trend line and starts rising, then open a long position and set your stop loss below from candle that breaks the pattern, and your take profit is the height of triangle. But if you want to play safe, then mark a resistance level and use that as your take profit. And if price breaks the lower trend line in expanding triangle, then open a short position and set your stop below from candle that breaks the pattern. And your take profit is the height of triangle. But you can also mark a resistance and use that as take profit. And if you want to play safe in triangle charts, you can also mark a resistance level and set your take profit to your resistance. And remember, always use stop loss. Don't blindly believe chart patterns, sometimes patterns become invalid.